Basic Mathematics MCQs. Question number 1. What is the value of 15 plus 27? Correct answer, B, 42. Question number 2. What is 9 times 8? Correct answer, A, 72. Question number 3. What is the square root of 144? Correct answer, C, 12. Question number 4. What is 25% of 200? Correct answer, B, 50. Question number 5. What is square of 7? Correct answer, C, 49. Question number 6. What is the value of 100 divided by 5? Correct answer, C, 20. Question number 7. Which number is a prime number? Correct answer, D, 13. Question number 8. What is the perimeter of a square with sides 6 centimeters? Correct answer, C. Question number 9. What is the cube of 3? Correct answer, D. Question number 10. What is square root of 7? Correct answer, B, 2.64.